gonna do some engine bay prep. We're gonna try and grind all these little studs off. Maybe clean up the bay a little bit, get it ready for paint.
Perfect.
That's all the time I'm gonna have for this video. Unfortunately, there wasn't really like a lot of informational anything. It was just like a this is what I'm doing today kind of thing. I did get a little bit done, but it was too windy to really record anything, so most of it's gonna be a time lapse. This is pretty much what I got done. I got a lot of the holes welded up. I actually ran out of wire, so I had to go get more. Got those studs cut off. A lot of the holes welded up. So this is a pretty tedious task. So, but yeah, if you liked the video, subscribe, leave a like. If you think this will help anybody else, go ahead and share it. But until next time, peace.